Hi everyone, I'll walk in Shinjuku Southern Terrace today. It is a pedestrian-friendly shopping complex that offers a wide range of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Here are some of the things you can expect to see and do in Shinjuku Southern Terrace. Shopping. Shinjuku Southern Terrace is home to a variety of retail stores, including fashion boutiques, cosmetic shops, and souvenir stores. You can find both Japanese and international brands here, making it a great place to shop for gifts or souvenirs. Dining. The complex is also home to numerous restaurants and cafes, offering a range of Japanese and international cuisine. From sushi to Italian, there is something for everyone. Some popular restaurants include Shabu Zen, a Japanese hot pot restaurant, and Paul, a French bakery. Events. Shinjuku Southern Terrace hosts various events throughout the year, including seasonal festivals and cultural events. During the holiday season, the complex is beautifully decorated with Christmas lights, making it a great spot for festive photos. Relaxation. If you're looking for a place to relax, Shinjuku Southern Terrace offers several green spaces where you can sit and unwind. One of the most popular spots is the rooftop garden, which offers great views of the city. Accessibility. Shinjuku Southern Terrace is conveniently located near Shinjuku Station, making it easy to access by train or bus. It is also wheelchair accessible, with elevators and ramps throughout the complex. I wish you feel like walking here by this video. So please enjoy it.